In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to creatively leverage AI tools to kickstart your songwriting process. Whether you're a seasoned musician, looking for some new inspiration, or a budding songwriter just getting started, this approach could be exactly what you need to spark your creativity. First things first, you'll want to open up ChatGPT. Head over to chat.openai.com. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If not, setting one up is quick and straightforward. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the main chat interface. Next, you'll start a new chat. Take a look at the left sidebar where you'll find the option to start a new chat. Click on that, and you're on your way to engaging with AI to generate some fresh ideas. Now for the exciting part, asking ChatGPT for song ideas. This is an opportunity to be creative with your prompts. For instance, you might say, "Give me 3 catchy pop song themes about summer road trips." The idea here is to tap into broader themes and let the AI offer suggestions that align with the vibe or concept you're going for. Once you have some potential themes, it's time to delve deeper. Request lyrics or chord progressions that fit the themes you're interested in. An example prompt could be, "Write short lyrics and basic chords for an upbeat summer road trip song." This will help you set the foundation for your song. Having gathered some lyrical and musical raw material, it's time to head over to GarageBand or whichever music production software you prefer. You might already be familiar with GarageBand's loops and virtual instruments, which are perfect for experimenting with the chord progressions suggested by ChatGPT. Take the chords provided to you and start playing around with them in the GarageBand interface. This is where the magic truly happens. Combine instruments, adjust tempos, and add unique elements to make the song your own. Remember, this process is highly creative and subjective, so have fun with it. Don't be afraid to iterate and explore various musical paths. The AI is a tool at your disposal, meant to assist and inspire, but the creative direction you take is entirely in your hands. By the end of this session, you should have the basis for a new song that not only reflects your personal style, but perhaps also pushes the boundaries of it. Whether you're writing for a summer road trip playlist or just experimenting, the satisfaction of creating something new is rewarding in and of itself. Keep exploring and tweaking until the song resonates with the vision you had in mind. With this approach, you can seamlessly blend AI-driven innovation with your own unique artistic flair. Happy songwriting!